Hello. Linear and the contextual communication models presented by Alejandra Cuevas in their view. Communication is the way in which human beings are able to exchange information on the knowledge on the non-verbal language. We express thoughts and feelings and emotions. Communication as the directions in linear process between two characteristic poles, sender and the receiver. The sender being the source of the flash and the receiver the passenger entity, emitter message y receptor. Communication scheme of hives. One situation, two participants, three purposes, four events, five taunt, six instrument, seven stardust. Communication contextual. Communication contextual vary according to the position that needs to be impacted or from what it responds needs. Cognitive styles. This function skills, pardon. This function to analyze and understand the information received, processing, and storing the memory. Hemisferio y hemisferio cerebral. HEALT, basic cognitive process, perception, attention, memory, learning, language. Hardy cognitive process, thinking, language, intelligence. Below we'll see and the video that represent the cognitive function success for communication.
A través de nuestra academia ayudamos médicos en su proceso de homologación para ejercer en Alemania. Así que si te interesa...
Cognitive functions are the skills we utilize to carry out any task. We use them every day to mentally interpret and understand the world around us. Using cognitive functions allows us to choose, receive, store, and process information so that we can analyze the situation and make good decisions about how to appropriately act and respond. Let's think about a classroom setting where we use our eyes to see the board, ears to hear what the teacher is asking, and sense of touch to feel the pencil, desk, and chair. But in this environment, we rely on our brain to interpret, analyze, and respond to the information that is coming in through our senses. Cognitive functions can generally be categorized into attention, orientation, memory, executive functions, language, social cognition, and visual spatial skills. These systems are interconnected, and they are working simultaneously to allow us to perform everything from the very simple tasks, such as reaching to turn off your alarm in the morning, to increasingly complex skills, like working within a group setting to solve a new problem and meet a deadline. Depending on the task and the environment, different functions and areas of the brain will be activated, using millions of neural connections and pathways to allow for seamless perception and decision-making. Our brain relies on cognitive functions in order to be effective in our school, occupations, and hobbies. But there are different factors that can influence how well we can use them. Injury, disease, diet, and many lifestyle factors can impair the strength and performance of our cognitive functions. With that said, there are very different strategies that we can use to improve them. And if you enjoyed this video, stick around for the next video in the series, where we will explain what cognitive training is and how it can benefit you.
In this video, we can always observe the storage, processing, and the cognitive function that are active communication and how to respond appropriately to a show situation. Relations between communicative process and the interview method. The relation of the communication, the physical context of the interview are as follows. The ability of the understand and the respond to know the clinical cause related to the communication ability. Mastery of the situation in relation to the response. Linguistic ability to self-respond. Thank you.